Good morning, boys and girls. It's so good to see you again. I hope that you guys are having a fabulous morning. I have some exciting news. During our Zoom meeting today, we are going to go on our virtual field trip, and you'll get to see where we're going if you log in and meet with us. Also, today is Thursday, but we do not have school tomorrow. It's a holiday, so today is our Friday, which is why we're doing our Fun Friday field trip. So I hope to see you guys after my morning message. All right, so let's go ahead and take a peek at what today is. So it says, good morning, with an exclamation point. Today, let me slide this over just a tiny bit. There we go. Today is, and then again, what day did I just say? It's not Fun Friday, but it is our Fun Friday this week. Yesterday was Wednesday, right? So Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, right? With a capital T, because it is a specific name of a day. Thursday, April 23rd, 2020. And then for our weather today, it is supposed to be a beautiful day today. It's supposed to be nice and sunny. Actually, it's supposed to be pretty hot. I think that we're gonna pull out the pool today. We're still inside the season of spring. And we know our digital date is 4-23-20. All right, so let's take a look at our first skill. Our first skill says, let's find the initial sound for all of the words in the UG family. So that means that they all end in UG, which means that they have the onset rhyme of UG. So we're looking for the initial sound, and we know that the initial sound is the very first sound that we hear. So when we swing our arm, it's at the top, right? So we have a picture of a little girl, and she is doing something to her little stuffed animal. Can you see it? What is she doing to her stuffed animal? She is hugging it, right? Say hug. Hug. What's the initial sound that you hear? Hug. An H. Good job. And then, oops, I need to make it nice and long or else it'll look like an N, right? And the next one, we have a picture of, what is this here? A rug. Say rug. Rug. What's the initial sound that we hear? Rug. Rug. Which is the letter R. Nice. And then on the next one, we have a picture of we know that this is also known as a cup, but because we're not talking about cups, we need something that has ug at the end. We actually have a mug. Say mug. Mug. What's the initial sound that you hear? Mug. M, right? Good job. So we have hug, rug, mug. Do they all rhyme? Yes, because they're all part of the UG family. They have the same ending sounds. UG, UG, UG. All right, on the next part, I'm gonna pin it up so that we can see a little bit better. But it says, let's match the words to their picture. And we learned this week that sometimes our vowels make a long vowel sound, which means that it is saying its name. So we have some words that have the long vowel sound, but it follows a little bit of a different rule. It's either followed by A or double E, but we have not covered that yet. So we are just gonna go ahead and take a look at what's given and see if maybe we can find out what it says based on the pictures that we have, okay? So on the first one, we have a picture of a seal, right? What's the initial sound that you hear on seal? Seal. What letter is that? S, right? But we have two words that have the letter S in it. So let's look for the ending sound, the last sound that we hear, or the final sound. Seal. Oh, right? So seal, that means that I match to the middle one. Seal. And then this one here, we have a picture of what is that? It is a car, but it's not it's a type of car. It's actually a Jeep. Say Jeep. Jeep. What's the initial sound that you hear? Jeep. J, j, j. What letter makes that sound? J. And then if we look through, the next sound would be E, right? Jeep. Jeep. Jeep, right? So it would be that last one. And then our very last picture that we have is, what is that? Soap. Good. So if we look over here at our last word that we have that doesn't have a match, let's sound it out. We know that we have a long vowel sound because I gave you that before we started. So soap. So I would match that to the very last picture. And then on the last part of our morning message, we have our math part. And for math today, it says, let's find how many tens and ones there are, and then let's add them. So we have our picture here, and we need to find out how many tens and ones. So we're going to fill it in our T chart, right? It looks like a T. On this side, it says tens, and on this side, it says ones. So if we look at our picture here, we know that one of these rods is equal to how many? 10, right? We could even go back and count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Do I have any more rods like that? No, I just have one. So I would put 110, right? And then how many ones do I have? How many single cubes do I have by themselves? Here they are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I would fill that in with the number 6. And we know that, yes, we do know that number, it's 16. So that means our answer would be 16. But let's go ahead and add that in. So we have 110, which also is equal to how many? 10, good. Plus, how many were by themselves? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? And we know 10 plus 6 is 16. We could even go back and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And we know when we add, we're joining all of them together. And that is it for our morning message. I hope to see you guys later.